Hey guys, what's up? So, got out of class early today, and I decided why not do something with the car? Because I haven't had much time working on the car, or well, I had nothing to do. So, today, what I'm planning to do is get rid of these ugly headers. And I do have headers inside the storage, and they're right there. Calvin did pick it up a while ago from a junkyard. And since I was hearing some rattling, probably an exhaust leak, somewhere where the cat and the headers meet, might as well go check it out and see what happens. So I'm gonna try and bang this out today, and yeah, hopefully get it done pretty quick, and then give the car a wash. And yeah, see you guys later. Peace. Alright, so first things first, get rid of this heat shield. 1, 2, and 3. And then from there you'll see the header, and then there got some bolts here, I think 4 on top, 3 on the bottom, and then after that it's all from the bottom. So we'll get everything up here first, jack up the car, and yeah, I'll show you guys that after I get this out. So I got the 3 bolts out, but guess what, there was one more hiding right over here, this little sucker right where my finger is. So I'll get that out, and then get the dipstick so we can pull out the heat shield, and then we're good to go. So guys, when you get to the bottom, this is the bottom, there's these 2 bolts, one on either side, and then 2 over here that I used my impact on one of them, and the other one I don't want to strip it since it's not a straight thing. And usually there is a bolt holding on to the block. I don't know if I can show you guys right now. Yeah, it's kind of hard. But yeah, there will be one that's holding on to the block from this bracket, and it will be on the block there. Lucky for me, I don't have it on. Probably the previous owner or anything. So yeah, and I think I have an exhaust leak definitely right here. Once you get all those bolts out, don't forget to unplug your sensor, which is connected up there. Make sure you unplug it, or you can take it out with a tool, and yeah, she should be ready to get off soon. A few cuts, a lot of sweating, and a lot of swearing later. We got it off. So here it is side by side. Here's the one I'm installing. Here's the stock one. What I noticed right away was that this one is a lot lighter than this one, like any other aftermarket part. So there it is. This one has a longer 2 pipe. That one cuts there. And yeah, I'm gonna get her back on, and then good to go. I'll see you guys when it's all on. So I stopped because I got picked up. We're gonna go and check out the car, and I don't know if I want to show you guys, probably not, but we're gonna go check out a car. See you guys later. So we just checked one car out. It's pretty clean. It's low KMs, really low. It's 2015, and it's red. Red is my selling point. It's in this industrial area. So go check another one, and then he's gonna decide. This baller over here, baller. My bad, baller. Got it back in. Everything after you remove it, just reverse order. I had to take this out so it's easier access for the header. Remove this, and yeah, now it's back on. Everything good. Hopefully no exhaust leak, but not expecting a lot.